Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Monday, February 13th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I've been getting a lot of messages on Facebook Messenger. I've seen them on my YouTube videos in the comment section, and I've seen it in all of our groups online, our LiveGood groups, okay? People are actually dropping out and quitting LiveGood already, and they're complaining that they're not getting any spillover and they're not getting any signups after being in the company for a week or two. All right, and these people are saying, well, I've been promoting it, I've been posting it on all my social media platforms, nobody's joining me, I'm sending out messages to people, and all I can tell you is that this is, you have to look at LiveGood as a long-term, more of an investment than anything, okay, and this is how I look at it, okay. I'm not signing up here thinking that I'm going to get rich and start making $10,000 a month with this company overnight. Okay, that does happen for some of the bigger marketers out there, but I'm not a big marketer that has 100,000 followers and an email list with 1 million people on it. Okay, so if you're just starting out in network marketing, just understand that the best thing you can do is not quit. All right, you know the saying that I always say: quitters never win and winners never quit. All right, you got to make sure that you're doing income producing activities every single day and stay consistent with that. All right, so what that means is if you make a YouTube video, try to make a YouTube video every single day. If you post in Facebook, try to post on Facebook every single day. If you do TikTok videos, make a TikTok video every single day. Whatever it is that you're comfortable doing, reaching out to people, make sure you're doing that every single day, okay? So you might not see success right away if you're brand new to all of this marketing stuff, but you have to start from somewhere. Okay, and the people that get to the top are the people that don't quit. I mean, folks, we launched this company globally 7 weeks ago. This is going on our 8th week. The majority of people don't even know about LiveGood yet. Okay, we have about 30,000 people in the company right now, and it's predicted that by the end of this year, we're going to have 1 million people in this company. All right, so with 8 billion people on the planet and 30,000 people in the company, do the math, right? I mean, the 99.9% of the people on this planet don't even know about LiveGood yet. So don't give up. Just stay consistent. Make sure you're doing income producing activities every single day, and you're going to start seeing results. And another thing that I can tell you is I'm getting pitched all the time on Facebook Messenger for LiveGood. All right, I'm part of LiveGood. If you come to my Facebook page, you're going to see I got LiveGood all over the place. All right, I mean, I got it all over the place. Look at this. This is my Facebook cover, LiveGood2023.com. If you click on the link right here for the ground floor opportunity you don't want to miss, it goes to my LiveGood page. I just posted this an hour ago. All right? See how our company can change your life. Watch our 6-minute video now. LiveGood. All right? People are pitching me to sign up with them in LiveGood. I've been in the company since the end of December. My point is that the best people to show this opportunity to are the people that aren't in network marketing already, okay? Because this company's blowing up so much that, I mean, I have all my people on Facebook, the marketers that are on Facebook, the ones that are not already committed and in a company and have been for a long time, they're all jumping on with LiveGood right now. Make sure you're not sharing this opportunity with people who are already in LiveGood and people that are already in the network marketing industry, okay? Because if you're in, if you've been in this industry for any amount of time, you know about LiveGood. And the other thing I could recommend is don't write, novels in the Facebook Messenger. You don't have to tell everything about LiveGood. People don't want to hear that. I'm getting messages here. Join the best company on the planet. You can earn 6 different ways. You can make $2,047.50 without recruiting anybody. And they go on and on and on and on and on. And all of those things that they're saying are true. But that's not how you're going to recruit people into your business, okay? You're talking too much, and that's not good. You just want to pique their interest, in other words. All right? Now, like this post that I just did. See how our company can change your life. Watch our 6-minute video now. And they click that. They go over to my tour page. And then this video right here, this 6-minute video, does all the explaining and telling. All right? And then if it jives with the person watching it and they feel inspired to reserve their position, they can put their first, last name, email, and reserve their position now. Okay? We don't have to go and talk, you don't want to speak too much about this stuff. We are not paid by LiveGood to tell people about LiveGood, all right? We get paid from LiveGood by selling memberships, by having people join us, okay? So that's my tips for today, all right? Just continue to stay consistent. Make sure you're doing income producing activities every single day. It doesn't have to take you all day, okay? I mean, I work on this business maybe an hour or two altogether every single day. And don't tell people every single thing there is to know about LiveGood. Just pique their interest. All right, you can say something like, I come across this awesome new company. We have 2,000 people joining every single day. Are you open to watching a 5-minute video? Simple. Just keep it like that. And you're going to see your results change, okay? But folks, do not give up when you've only been in this company for 1 or 2 weeks. All right? It says it right on the website. Spillover could take 6 months to a year, or maybe even longer before your matrix fills. All right? There's no guarantee. And the earning disclaimer is down in the video description box, okay? I can't guarantee you're going to make anything with this. All right? It's all based on your work ethic and what you want. Do you really want to change your life? Do you really want to change your life? Do you really want to become financially free and have time freedom? All right? Because 99% of people that come into network marketing, that's what they want. But then most of them fail and they quit because they're not willing to put in the work. You have to treat this like a business. This is a real legit business, okay? Network marketing is a business. You have to treat it like a business. Right? Money's not just going to fall into your lap. So don't give up in 1 or 2 weeks. I mean, give this at least 6 months to a year before you give up. It's $9.95 a month. All right? I'm sure most of you waste that on stuff you don't need. Coffees at Starbucks, Netflix, buying junk. People throw away $10 every day. All right, so look at this as a long-term investment. Treat it like a real business. Do your income-producing activities every single day. Stay consistent. Reach out to people and keep it short. Just spark their interest. Okay? Kind of like when you have a dog laying on the ground and they hear a noise and their ears perk up and they sit up and look around. All right? They do that before they go investigating. That's what you want to do to these people. Just spark their interest. Send them the video if they're open to it. And let the video explain everything. And then if they have any questions after watching the video, then they can reach out to you and then you can answer them. That's what I do. I tell people, listen, watch the video. It explains everything quicker and better than I can. And if you have any questions after watching the video, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. All right? So anyway, I hope you find value in this video. If you do, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos of mine. My YouTube channel is growing, and it's all because of people like you who take the time to watch these videos. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.